Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix the iPhone Unavailable Try Again in 8 Hours issue. Alright, let's begin. First, open any browser on your PC and search for iTunes. Download and install it either from the Microsoft Store or the official Apple website. Once installed, open iTunes and connect your iPhone using a cable. Now, on your iPhone, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the phone enters recovery mode. Go back to your PC and iTunes will show a prompt. Click on Update and wait for the process to complete. This usually fixes the issue. If the update does not work, select the Restore option instead, but remember, this may erase your data. Alternatively, open a browser and search for iCloud. Log in with the same Apple ID used on your iPhone. Click on Find My Devices. Select your iPhone, then choose Erase iPhone. Enter your password and confirm. That's it for this video. Thanks.